Hey everyone! Welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'll guide you on how to download and play GTA Vice City on your PC or laptop. But before we dive in, don't forget to check out the link just below this video for some cool offers. Let's get started. So how exactly do you get GTA Vice City on your PC or laptop? Well, there's an easy way to download GTA along with other great games. To do that, we'll be using a platform where you can access many games, including GTA. First, open your preferred browser, as we'll need to install something on our computer. Head over to google.com and search for Steam. Once you search for Steam, click on the link that says steampowered.com. From there, you'll see the option to download Steam, so click on Install Steam. The Steam installer will download as an ASCII file, and once it's ready, open it and follow the instructions to install it. It's a straightforward process. After the installation, you'll be taken to the Steam homepage. When you're at the Steam login or sign up screen, you'll need to either log in or create a new account. Creating an account is simple. Just click on Create Account and fill out the required details, including your email. Don't forget to verify your details and complete any necessary verifications. Since GTA games are rated for mature audiences, you'll need to confirm your age before you can proceed. After entering your birth date, click View Page. To purchase the game, you'll find different editions available, such as a standard edition or a premium bundle. Prices may vary depending on your location. If you're in the Philippines, it might show in pesos. In the US, it'll display in dollars. Pick the edition that suits you, and if you want more details about the game, click on the bundle info to learn what's included in the bundle. Once you've selected the bundle, add it to your cart. Now you'll have two options: purchase for myself or purchase as a gift. Since you're buying for yourself, choose the first option. You can access this by clicking on Library at the top of the screen. Simply click on Play and you're ready to go. And that's all there is to it. If you have any questions or run into issues, feel free to ask in the comments section.